What is going on, guys? The Colin still back at it again with another video. Chair was right by me. And if you're probably asking why I have this uniform on, it's because I just got back from my last basketball game, and today we're going to be doing a Pop Rocks experiment. All it is just water full of Pop Rocks in there. So, yeah, make sure to hit that like button if you want that notification shout out, comment saying anything. Basically, today's notification shout out goes to Blake Burnett Vlogs. I'll put his channel in the description if you want to go subscribe to him. I only know that he subscribed to me only because he's been like coming to my house a lot, and he said he subscribed to me. So yeah, make sure to go check out his channel. And right now I'm about to pour the Pop Rocks in there. So let's go. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Bro, listen to that. Sounds weird. Bro, that's so weird. Change the color of the water. Whoa. So that's the sound of the Pop Rocks. It's cracking. It's just really weird. It's really weird. Is there any more? Okay. As you can hear, there's the Pop Rocks cracking. That's why I won my last basketball game. So guys, hope you enjoyed that video of the Pop Rocks experiment. Pretty sure a lot of you have done it before. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and see you in my next video.